What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Josh and I'm back with another video. And on this video I'm going to be doing a haircut. I'm doing a house call. It's actually one of the guys that you guys seen on my channel before. The guy in the video when he had the bald spot on the top of his head, and I had to kind of, even it out to make the thin and not look as bad. Well, today is the day. He's cutting it all off. He's going bald head. So this is going to be a super transformation. He never seen himself like this and like ever in his life. He's never seen his head with no hair on it at all. So this is like going to be something crazy to me as far as long as I've known him and to him. So this is going to be something crazy. So let's go in his crib and get set up and everything. I gotta grab my essentials. As you guys seen, the barber bag that I did a video on. This is what I do and what I use for my house calls when I go to people's crib. YouTube. So the crazy thing about it is that we talked him into cutting his hair off. We were like, bro, like, your hair is going, it's going away, you might as well cut it off. And we got, it's kind of funny to me, but we convinced him to let it go. So we're about to go in and see what he's got going. What it do? Bro, you got a nice in here, bro. Ready for your bald head, man?
I'm ready, man.
Ready for your bald head.
About to get ready to do it, man. I saw the comments, man. I saw what y'all said about me. It's about that time, man.
Yeah, he gotta let it go now. Alright, y'all, we ready. We got all the tools we need. We got my guy right here. All the hair finna be gone. He's gonna be a different person. He never seen himself like this in his life. Start. What's good, y'all? I just thought I'd pop in and talk to y'all for a little bit. But yeah, as you guys see, we got this super satisfying video of me cutting off my guy's hair. This is gonna be cool to watch from now until the end, getting all the hair off and just getting his beard lined up. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'm gonna just be talking in and out throughout this video. So let's get it. Alright, y'all, so we done with step one. So now we're gonna go in with my shaver and we're gonna get it super smooth. The first thing we did was we went over with our trimmers and we just basically got all the hair super short, and now it's time for the shaver to do the job and finish it off. So, like I said, we're in here with our shaver. We're getting it all the way down to the scalp so it can be super smooth. To be honest, this is just my travel shaver. I have a double foil shaver that's stronger. So this is probably like the longest part of the haircut, getting all the hair super low and making sure that it's all gone. We don't want no stubble behind. Alright, y'all, so we done with the head. As you guys can see, it's smooth. It look good. We're about to do his beard. Get his beard right on both sides. I'm gonna get it sharp. So right here, we're just gonna go in with my cordless Wahl Seniors with the #1 guard on, with the lever all the way closed. Going with the grain, just knocking off the long straggly hairs that he doesn't want sticking up out of his mustache. Then right after that, we're gonna go ahead and start on lining up our beard using my Rose FX Babyliss trimmers. These are a pair of trimmers that I keep in my travel kit. They're not really like my go-to trimmers, but these are some good trimmers and I use them from time to time, but I usually just keep them in my travel kit. We did not have super good lighting. Well, I mean, I could see, but the camera probably had like some shadows. So we had to use iPhone camera, kind of make it our own way of getting some lighting. But we got it, we got it together, and you see we got that lined up sharp on the bottom and on the side. Now it's time to move to this side. Unfortunately, I forgot to get the bottom of the beard and the top of this beard, but I got the back. I thought I recorded it, I don't know why, but it's all good. You guys get the picture, but we're gonna come in right after this with some razor work, and you're gonna see how sharp I made this natural line up. It came out crazy. Like, look how sharp that is for a natural beard. You know, you don't need all the enhancements and everything to get your beard looking super good. So I think I got this man right in the door with this natural lineup. So I'll let you guys watch as I do this beard work with my razor. And just a little tip for people who aren't really familiar with using a razor. As you see, I have my thumb right behind the razor every time I'm going in and doing some detail work with my razor. I'm stretching the skin because I do not want to cut him. When you stretch the skin, it just adds a nice flat surface for you to glide the razor right over. And right here I'm just using my shaver, balding out under the beard, getting it super smooth. You know, like without that shaver you can still feel a little stubble, but it's a game changer once you put that shaver on there and get it all the way smooth. Alright, y'all, we just got done cutting it. I'm gonna let you guys see how it look. He ain't seen it yet, but I'm gonna show y'all his reaction. That's how it look. Let me know if it fit him in the comments. Let me know if this haircut fit him. He got a beard, so it brought it out all the way. Let me know what y'all think in the comments.
Oh yeah, I do.
You like it?
Yeah, I do.
Michael Jordan.
It fits you.
I really do.
It ain't bad. Cause I mean, you was already getting your haircut low anyways.
Right. It really was. That's what it looked like. It looked like it's
resembled.
yeah.
It resembled it a little bit.
Yes, sir.
That's what's up, man. What you gotta tell him? What you gotta tell him since the last haircut?
It's good, man. I like it. Good job. It's very sharp with your boy.
YouTube, that is the video. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you watched it all the way to the end, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and leave a comment on what you think about this video. Did the haircut fit him or what? You know, it's way better than how it was before. It's better to let it go than trying to hold on to it, because you know you're gonna get irritated and you're gonna get tired of it. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure you follow me on Instagram at Joshxbarber. As you guys see on the top of this video, turn on that notification bell and stay tuned for the next video. It's your boy Josh. Peace.